Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today again we are gonna use an ingredient which is packed in essential nutrients associated with various health benefits, that is beetroot. I have given beetroot to my son in pureed form, either in mixing with other fruit or in the form of roti. Recently my son has become a huge fan of chila. He is fond of suji chila, besan chila, atta chila. Today I thought of doing experiment and making the chila more colorful and nutritious by using beetroot. Especially our little ones need a lot of iron for their growth, and beetroot is high in iron, folate, antioxidant and vitamin C. And if you are not aware of vitamin C is must for the absorption of iron in the body. And this vegetable is already rich in vitamin C, which is very nice. It is also a fiber-rich food which is good for the bowel movement of the kids. I have seen this recipe in Shilpa Shetty's cooking channel. The only difference that I am doing in this recipe is that I am not using flaxseed powder that Shilpa Shetty has used. Having said that, let's try this interesting recipe, and I am going to show you in the end of the video whether my son liked this chila or not. So let's get started. So before starting the actual recipe, we need a few preparations. We want oats flour. So I am taking half cup quick oats and dry roasting for about 2 to 3 minutes. We are dry roasting oats because then they will become crisp and it will be easier to blend it and bring it to powder form. In the meanwhile, I have peeled and cut one beetroot into small pieces. I am gonna add them into pressure cooker, add half a glass of water and allow it to cook for 3 whistles. Allow both the ingredients to cool down completely, and when they are cooled, grind both of them one by one. I am first grinding oats to make oats flour and then blending beetroot along with all of its water by not wasting that because it contains all the nutrition. Here we are done with all the preparations, and now let's sink into the main recipe. Take a bowl and add 3/4 cup of gram flour or besan and half a cup of oats flour that we made. I am adding half teaspoon of salt in the mixture. You can add according to your baby's taste or totally avoid if baby is under 1. Also, I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. It adds in a very good flavor to chilas. Mixing all the dry ingredients nicely, now add the beetroot puree bit by bit and keep on mixing, first into a thick paste and then bring it down to the chila consistency. The consistency of chila shouldn't be too thick or too runny, as I use the water of boiled beetroot. So there is no need of water in my batter. You can add water accordingly if your batter is thick. The batter should be in pouring consistency. Here our batter is ready, and also I am gonna use this onion and homemade paneer for topping to make it more nutritious, and homemade cow's ghee to cook the chila. So I thought of using this fancy frying pan, but my chila was sticking to this pan, and whose first chila is perfect? At least with me, this happens a lot. Finally, I took my old dosa tawa, greased it with cow's ghee and poured 2 spoonfuls of beetroot batter and spread that in the shape of pancake like so. Added more ghee around the chila and flipped it after a minute or when it's done. We have to cook chila on medium-low flame. I hope you can see the brown spots. This shows the chila is cooked nicely and ready. So this was a testing of chila, that's why I didn't added the topping. For the second one, we will cook one side of chila and flip it and add onion pieces and paneer on the other side which is uncooked. Add lots and lots of topping, ghee around the chila and cover it to cook. After a few minutes, remove the lid. We can see the onions are translucent, that means they are cooked, and I am gonna flip it in order to cook the chila from the another side and pressing it like so. And adding more of ghee. Don't worry, this is homemade ghee and ghee contains good fats. Here our beetroot chila is ready with topping and plain too. Let's take it down to cool a bit before serving. This recipe turned out pretty beautiful, delicious and healthy.
Yummy? Kiddo, yummy? Kiddo, do like this. Do like this. Yummy? Yummy? Yummy?
He was busy in watching TV, still he liked the chila, enjoyed it and completed his full meal. I am sure your little Will is also gonna love this. If you liked this video, then I hope you know the drill. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share it with the mommies who have fuzzy eaters, and meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.